When it comes to home improvements, installing new windows is a decision that can have a significant impact on both the functionality and aesthetic appeal of your Meridian home. However, many homeowners overlook the importance of proper window installation. While purchasing high-quality windows is crucial, ensuring they are installed correctly is just as vital. The benefits of professional window installation go beyond just enhanced curb appeal. They include improved energy efficiency, increased security, and long-lasting durability. In this article, we'll explore the importance of proper window installation for Meridian homes and how it can affect everything from comfort to energy savings. Energy efficiency and cost saving. One of the most immediate benefits of professional window installation is the improvement in energy efficiency. Meridian, with its hot summers and cold winters, puts a constant demand on your home's heating and cooling systems. Poorly installed windows can lead to drafts, which allow heat to escape during the winter and cool air to escape during the summer. This can cause your HVAC system to work harder, leading to higher energy bills. Proper installation ensures that your windows are sealed tightly, preventing air leakage and enhancing insulation. By having the right windows installed correctly, you can maintain a comfortable indoor temperature throughout the year while reducing the load on your HVAC system. Over time, this can lead to significant savings on your energy bills. In addition, proper window installation helps maintain your home's energy-efficient features, such as low-E glass and insulated frames, ensuring they continue to perform optimally. In Meridian, where temperature fluctuations can be significant, this is especially important for keeping your home energy efficient and comfortable. Prevention of water damage and mold growth. Incorrectly installed windows can create gaps and seals that allow water to seep into your home. This can lead to mold growth, water stains, and even structural damage, especially in areas like the window frame and surrounding walls. Water infiltration can be particularly problematic in Meridian during the wetter months, when rain and snow are more prevalent. Professional window installers take great care to ensure that windows are sealed properly, preventing water from entering your home. With accurate installation, caulking, and flashing, your windows will be fully protected against the elements, helping to maintain a dry and healthy indoor environment. This is crucial for preventing long-term damage and ensuring your home remains structurally sound. Enhanced comfort. Comfort is another key factor affected by window installation. If your windows are not installed correctly, they can lead to uneven heating or cooling within your home. Air leaks around poorly installed windows can cause hot and cold spots, making certain areas of your home uncomfortable to live in. By choosing a professional installer, you can ensure that your windows are properly aligned and sealed, which will enhance your home's overall comfort. Proper installation helps to maintain a consistent indoor temperature and humidity level, making your living spaces more pleasant year-round. Whether you're looking to keep the heat out during the summer or retain warmth during the winter, professional window installation ensures that your home remains comfortable and energy efficient. Increased security and safety. The proper installation of windows also plays a crucial role in the security and safety of your home. Windows that are not installed correctly may not close properly, leaving your home vulnerable to break-ins. If the frame is not secure or the window is misaligned, an intruder may find it easier to force the window open. Additionally, improperly installed windows may not function properly in an emergency. For example, windows that don't open fully or are difficult to operate can pose a safety hazard during a fire or other emergency situation. Professional installers ensure that your windows are securely fitted and operate smoothly, giving you peace of mind knowing that your home is protected and that you can easily open your windows if needed. Aesthetic appeal and property value. New windows can significantly enhance the curb appeal of your Meridian home, but only if they are installed properly. Poor installation can lead to visible gaps, crooked windows, or improper alignment, all of which can detract from your home's appearance. Proper installation ensures that your windows fit perfectly within the frame and complement the overall design of your home, improving its aesthetic value. Furthermore, the proper installation of high-quality windows can increase your home's market value. If you're planning to sell your home in the future, properly installed windows will be an attractive selling point for potential buyers. Energy efficiency, security, and a polished, well-maintained exterior are all features that make your home more desirable in a competitive market. Longevity and durability. Proper window installation is essential for ensuring that your windows last for years to come. Poor installation can lead to issues such as warping, misalignment, or structural damage, which can shorten the lifespan of your windows. By hiring experienced professionals to install your windows, you're investing in the long-term durability of your home's windows. Professional window installers have the knowledge and expertise to ensure that your windows are fitted correctly and will function properly for many years. This means fewer repairs, fewer issues, and a longer-lasting investment in your home. Conclusion. When it comes to upgrading or replacing windows in your Meridian home, proper installation is just as important as the quality of the windows themselves. From improving energy efficiency and comfort to enhancing security and increasing your home's value, professional window installation ensures that your windows perform at their best. Whether you're protecting your home from water damage, reducing energy costs, or improving your home's curb appeal, investing in proper window installation is a smart decision that pays off in the long run. By choosing a reputable window installation company, you can enjoy the benefits of properly installed, high-quality windows that enhance the functionality, safety, and aesthetics of your home.